Hurry up! Everyone is waiting for the epic unboxing! Are you guys ready for this?
Whoa, this is the biggest Kinder Egg ever. I think it's time we crack this open.
I've been waiting for this all day. Yeah.
Oh
my goodness!
It's coming off.
Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! All right, let's smash it!
It's the yellow FUGLER.
Ooh, it's the yellow FUGLER! That was awesome! Don't miss the next unboxing. Subscribe!